Hey guys, it's Nitya and welcome back to my channel. So this is my 100th video. Many of you guys would have already noticed, and by looking at this you would have already understood that I'm doing a canopy bed video today as a 100th special video. Before we get started, it'll only take a few seconds. Please hit on that red subscribe button along with that bell button to receive notifications because there are really good videos coming soon. Also give this video a big thumbs up because I know you're gonna like it. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Firstly, for making the canopy, you require a bangle like this. This is my mom's bangle. And you require this. I do not know what is this called, but if you don't have this, you can wrap floral wire around it. Now take any sari of your choice and put it through the bangle. Find the middle. We have this light and there's a small hook here, so I'm going to hang this in the hook, and now that's done. I have put the bed and we'll put this bed sheet. Now from both sides we'll tuck in the sari. Do the same thing with the other side. Add in a few pillows. I'm going to add in this dream catcher, which link you will find in the description box. Also my hexagon shelf with masking tape. You'll find link in the description box for this also. I have added in 2 more of my hexagon shelves. You can make many and add them. Also my woolly birds. Link is there in the description box. And also this father and daughter quilling. This also link is there in the description box. Since it's the 100 video special, our mom has made something special for us. Let me get it. Here's yours. Ooh, what is it? It's an Oreo truffle. Ooh. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.